Hey everyone, Lisa here. Just thought I'd jump on Facebook Live real quickly to remind you that it is free shipping and handling day on QVC. So we just finished up with In the Kitchen with Mary. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Look, we're actually on the set, but it's empty right now. Mary's just finishing up. She's over in the show kitchen, which is a little bit further away from here. But again, free shipping and handling on everything on QVC. So all those temptations that you've been waiting for, today is the day. Make sure that you shop today. It ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time this evening on Saturday. Hey, Stephanie, thanks so much for joining in. Love that you're all here. Oh my gosh, Tina's here. That's awesome. So not only that, but tomorrow, want to just give you not a sneak peek because I can't, but a sneak tell that Tara has a brand new item on In the Kitchen with David that you do not want to miss out on. Hi Hope, hi Donna, hi Monica. But we had so much fun today with In the Kitchen with Mary. Check out all the lineup of everything on QVC. It's a great day to shop when there's free shipping, isn't it? I mean, we all love that. Hi Brian, hi Laura, hi Emery, hi Joyce, hi Angie. So glad that you're all here. Hope you had fun watching on In the Kitchen with Mary today. And of course, lots new coming for Temptations from now, well, lots more coming till the end of the year and beyond. So we can't wait to spend more time with you. Again, Tara will be on tomorrow, noon Eastern Time, In the Kitchen with David with something brand new. And then we have Stacy's show, Stacy Stauffer, 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday evening on QVC2, Step by Step with Stacy, which is so much fun. It's like making a recipe and showing it in all different steps of the recipe. It's really a lot of fun. Make sure you tune in. Then 10 p.m. until midnight in Your Home with Jill on QVC2 on Monday. And then Tara will be back with David again on Wednesday evening. So hi Maria, hi Kathy, hi Diane, hi Shirley. Just wrapping up In the Kitchen with Mary. Make sure you're shopping today and enjoying your free shipping, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.